guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm just a Japanese high schooler, just doing random YouTube posts. This is actually like my first ever time doing a voiceover, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, today I'm just going to be unboxing something I got recently, and that is this. I got a new album, not like a new one, it actually came out like a month ago, but I didn't get it because of multiple reasons that I'm going to talk about later. But yeah, let's see what's in it. If you haven't already guessed from the title and the thumbnail, so recently I actually uploaded a blog about this, but Avril Lavigne actually toured Japan, and she held a Japan tour, and when she did her Japan tour, there was actually a new release. It's a Love Sucks Japan Tour edition. So this is like the normal Love Sucks that I actually own, which is over here. So yeah, this is like the normal version, not the normal version, the Japanese version. And this is like the Japan Tour edition. This thing like includes like a bunch of bonus tracks, like, okay, it's in Japanese, but whatever. It's like Complicated, Girlfriend, bunch of stuff, a bunch of like singles that was very popular, and also some songs that she actually performed during like her tour. So, and also there's actually 2 songs from The First Take. If you didn't know, she appeared on The First Take, and she performed both acoustic version of Complicated and I think it was Bite Me. Yeah, it was Bite Me. So yeah. And also this actually includes like photo calendars, I guess. So like I'm, obviously I have to get it. So yeah. This thing is like a hologram. You can see it's sparkly. I don't want to show my face though. Okay, so yeah, let's unbox this, shall we? So yeah, this is how the back part looks. This is like how the front looks. It's like coated with hologram and boom. Okay, wow. Oh, and so this is the photo. Wait, I thought it was gonna be way more bigger, but okay. So this is the photo card. Is this a postcard? It's probably like a postcard side. So this is like the calendar. This is actually a calendar. But like I don't wanna use it as a calendar, but whatever. Yeah, this is like the normal jacket. These photos are actually from her Love Sucks tour. I think it's not like the one she did in Japan. It's like the one she did in like the US and stuff. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's how it goes. So yeah, a bunch of pictures from her tour. Very pretty, very nice. Okay, that looks amazing. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna use this as a calendar. I'm just gonna use this as, as it is, I guess, as just like photos. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put it up on my wall or something. I can't wait. Okay, I'm just gonna move it here. Let's open this one, shall we? So, 2 CDs, and I think the inside is not gonna change that much compared to the normal Japanese edition. So like Avril, when like she releases like Japanese version of CDs, she like has like these like exclusive like not goodies, but like stuff in. Last time, like the normal version, where's the normal version? Okay, there you go. So this one actually included like a tote bag, which I actually used when I went to her tour. And so this time it's a photo calendar. I don't know I think like the booklet really didn't change. I think it just added songs. Okay, there you go. There you go. Yeah. What I don't really like about this as in the Japanese version is how, like, I don't know, there's like all of this like Japanese lyrics on it, and it takes up so much space, but I don't need it, so I don't even look at it. So yeah, that's not the best, but yeah, inside it's the same. It's the normal Love Sucks one, but with the word Japan tour edition. yeah. Still, the visuals are amazing, as always. Yeah, honestly though, I was so bummed how she didn't perform Avalanche. What happened was I didn't want to look at the set list, but since the date I went, like the tour date I went, was the Osaka date, and the Osaka date was like the last one out of all 4 shows she did, and like the first show actually happened like a week before the Osaka date, so basically Twitter was flooded with like information about her set list, so I got spoiled, I guess. But yeah, still, like, it was like the first time I actually went to a show with like knowing the set list, and yeah, I didn't hate it because like I get to like, I guess not practice, but like, you know, review the lyrics so I can sing along with her. But what I didn't like is, because I know the set list, I know which song is gonna be the last song. So like while like she's performing, you're just gonna get hit with this like, you know, sad feeling that it's gonna be over soon, you know. So that's like one thing I didn't like about learning the set list. So yeah, I'm actually going to like Rina Sawayama's tour on, when was it? January 18th. So yeah, I am not going to open Twitter the day of the concert because I don't want to get spoiled. But yeah, I will definitely you know, guess what's going to be on the set list. I didn't look at like not the UK, but like the US tour set list, so I think I'm, you know, doing good. But yeah, also she actually changed like her set list from like the normal tour to like the Japan tour. The best one, okay, so first of all, I know people hate Hello Kitty, but Hello Kitty was actually kind of cool to listen. She didn't sing along with it. It was like, it was only like the instrumental, but like it was kind of like refreshing, because like, okay, like the lyrics aren't that great, but like still, it's still iconic, and Japanese fans love Hello Kitty. Not because it's in Japanese, it's because it's just iconic, you know. It's really iconic, it's cute, it's fun. Okay, well, truth be told, like Japanese Avril fans, we all love everything, but, you know, Hello Kitty is not that hated in Japan, I guess. So yeah, it was kind of fun. And also, I was glad enough to like listen to I'm a Mess live, which was great because like I love that song. But what I'm not happy about is, again, Avalanche. I still want to listen to Avalanche live, okay? And like her tour set list was only like an hour and a half long, or even less than an hour and a half. So I know she had like her, you know, she's like still like in her recovery, but like I hope I get to like, you know, go to like a full-on like 2-hour concert one day. That'd be cool. But yeah, I don't know, I checked like the not set list, but like there was like a Yeezy recommended popping up about like her full tour, like Rina Sawayama's full tour, and I didn't look at it, of course I did not, but I did actually look at how long it was, and like all the videos were like an hour and 40 minutes, so I think, you know, we're gonna be in for a good ride for Rina Sawayama, I guess. Okay, so originally I wanted to buy this before the tour, but one, I was broke because I was trying to buy merch, and two, I was waiting for like the, I don't know, so like basically there's actually like goodies you can get from this, but the normal ones were like a normal like A5 clear folder, like a holder, but like I was like curious about like if you buy stuff on tour, there's gonna be like a different set of things, so I was waiting for that, but the information came out and then it was just a normal like a regular badge, so I was like, no, I don't need that. And then I checked like the website that I bought this, and then like they were already out of like the exclusive goodies. I was like, well, I'm not gonna buy it again. But like after I actually went to the tour, it was amazing, so I was like, well, you know what, I'm gonna buy it anyways. And so yeah, I bought this as a Christmas present for myself, which is, you know, great. Love that. I don't know why, but the audio actually cut off from this clip, so yeah. So basically, I actually got a few stuff when I got the CD, like when I picked up the CD. So yeah, I actually got this like brow thing. It's like a brow powder and a pencil and a brush at the same time. It was pretty cool. Like, I kind of loved it. The next one I got is also for brows, but I'm actually going to use it as an eyeshadow. It's like this grayish brownish color that I actually thought it was pretty cute. I also got this photo frame from a dollar store. I bought this because I wanted to put up the photo calendar you guys seen in the clip before. So here's me setting it up. I was actually pleasantly surprised that it actually fitted very perfectly, which is so good. So yeah, that's the finishing look. Make sure to like comment down below what you want to see next. More vlogs are coming soon. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time.